Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make Harry Potter in Infinite Crafts. So what you have to do, first we make earth plus wind. Okay, this makes dust. Now water plus wind. Now this makes wave. Now wave plus dust. This makes sand. Now sand plus fire. This makes glass. Now glass plus sand. This makes hourglass, and now hourglass plus sand. This makes time. Now water plus water plus water. Now this makes lake. Now lake plus lake. This makes ocean. Now ocean plus earth. This makes island. Now island plus earth. This makes continent. Now continent plus time. This makes eternity. Now fire plus water. Fire plus water. This makes steam. Now steam plus earth. This makes mud. Now mud plus eternity. This makes Adam. Now Adam plus time. Adam plus time. This makes Eve. Now Eve plus Adam. Now this makes human. Now human. Now earth plus water. Earth plus water. This makes plant. Now plants plus plants. This makes tree. Now wind plus wind. Wind plus wind. This makes tornado. Tornado plus tree. This makes wood. Now wood plus dust. This makes broom. Now broom. This makes witch. Now witch plus human. This makes wizard. Now earth plus earth. Earth plus earth. Now makes mountain. Now mountain plus mountain. This makes mountain range. Now earth plus mud. Earth plus mud. This makes clay. Now clay plus fire. This makes pottery. Now pottery plus pottery. This makes vase. Now vase plus mountain range. This makes China. Now water plus steam. Water plus steam. This makes cloud. Now cloud plus water. This makes rain. Now rain plus rain. This makes rainbow. Now fire plus dust. Fire plus dust. This makes ash. Ash plus rainbow. This makes unicorn. Now unicorn plus mud. This makes hippopotamus. Hippopotamus plus China. This makes panda. Now panda plus cloud. This makes bamboo. Bamboo plus clay. Clay. Okay, bamboo plus clay. This makes flute. Flute plus panda. This makes kung fu panda and kung fu panda plus human. Master. Now master plus vase. Potter. Now potter plus wizard. This makes Harry Potter. So like this you can make Harry Potter in Infinite Crafts. So if you like this video, please like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.